Hi there, Adita Lang, and we have here the leg extension machine. So the leg extension machine is a very efficient machine for training our quadriceps, the front of the thighs. But there are a few adjustments that truly need to be addressed so that the workout becomes very efficient. One of those is going to be your backrest. You want to make sure that your backrest is going to enable for your knees to be lined up with the joint of the machine. That's your goal, and I will show you how all that comes into play. I am vertically challenged, I'm not very tall, so I have to move this seat up so that I have plenty of room up here. Now the second part of the adjustments is going to be the ankle rest. Now the ankle rest, there's a button here to the side. Most machines look like this. Some of them are a little bit different, but most of them pretty much have this. So you can move this up and down. Once again, for me, I need to lift it up. Now, getting into the machine, we will get in with our ankles behind this, and couple of things here to make sure that the ankle rest is in the right spot. Just flex your feet. As long as the ankle rest is right above the flex of your foot, you're doing good. Now the back rest position, we end up leaning back, shoulders are back and down, rib cage is in, really actually utilizing the abdominals. And now look where your knees are at. Your knees should be in line with this pin, this joint that's right here. Now sitting up, chest up. When you're choosing your weight for this machine, I want you to, if you've never done the machine before, I want you to choose a very light weight, if not no weight, and simply go through the motion so that you know that you're doing it correctly. From there, you can add weight. So let's talk about how do we do this machine correctly. First off, when you're training muscles, move slowly. And so when you move slowly, you engage all of the muscle fibers at one time. Then you want to move slow enough where you can actually feel the muscle contract as you release the muscle. I like utilizing my breath as my rate of movement. So I inhale one way and I exhale the other. As you are exerting force, think about pulling your abdominals inward because this actually becomes an abdominal exercise at the same time. So now, as you're moving through the exercise, here's one last thing you really need to look at. Where is your knee looking? So right here, my knees are facing straight up, like spotlights. And as I go down, my knees are facing straight ahead. Sometimes some people's knees flare out, and as they're going through the motion, their knees move in, their knees move out. So the goal is now to get your femur, the top of your thigh, to line up with your hip joint. And now extend and feel the quadricep contract as you come to the top with your knees facing up. Keep your knees in one spot as you go down and control the weight on the way down. The more you control the weight, the better the results. And that, my friends, is the leg extension.